You are now locked in to the latest and the greatest on the Android system. This is the channel that gives you information every day and every way possible. Now make sure you hit the bell and the like button on your way in, and check out the full catalog of videos that I made just for you. I'll see you right after these messages. Peace. What's going on, guys? Today we have the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, on the back of the box, they do list what's inside of the box for the S9 Plus. Right here on the back, it includes a USB connector, and wall brick and headphone set. Let's just go ahead and unbox the S9 Plus, courtesy of Metro PCS, my boy Noel. So basically, I walked in to the unboxing of the sunrise gold color of the S9 Plus. Basically put that phone in my hand for an unboxing review. So you could see here that color and feel in the hand does feel very, very solid, very nice, has a good weight to it. Let's just put that off to the side. You can see it's rose gold, or you can call it the sunrise gold color that they put on the box. Now there is the US, the Type-C connector right there, along with the wall brick, fast charging wall brick in the black color. Now lift up the pamphlet here, the panel, and you can see the earbuds, the headphone set, and the Type-C connector cord. So that's actually pretty cool that they do include those really nice high quality headphones. Go ahead, open up the other pamphlet with the SIM ejection tool and the literature for the quick start guide and your basic how to get started guides here. So when we go ahead and power on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, you can see that display does look really sharp. Now on the back you can see the Samsung Galaxy branding with the fingerprint, the dual cameras, and the flash. Now that rose gold color looks really good. Now look on the bottom, and it has a headphone set jack, 3.5 with a speaker, and at the top is the SIM tray with a noise cancellation microphone. It automatically prompts a hi there with the start button, which you can actually go ahead and start to set up the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now we're just gonna go ahead and move along as quick as possible. Let's just try to click these options here, select all to the next option. It's gonna have your date, time, and day, your name, along with how to protect your phone. So you're getting an iris scan, a fingerprint sensor, and a whole bunch of other options here to secure the smartphone. Let's just click next for all of them so we can move along here for the unboxing. Now the first thing it prompts you to do is use your iris, a smarter way to verify with facial recognition. Now go ahead and put your face at an eye level to the phone sensor, which will actually go ahead and scan your face. Now what it now prompts you to do is hold the phone at eye level and scan your iris. So this is a highly secure feature for actually protecting and locking your device. Now what we're going to do is skip through until we get to the home screen. Now you can see Google services and you can see Bixby, which actually we're going to go ahead and skip, and restore data. We will skip that as well, along with this option here, which we're going to go ahead and skip it now. We're inside of the phone. pull down your notification bar, go to settings, and let's see the latest Android software. Now, inside the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, we do have the Android software of 8.0. Now, you can see all of those options here. Let's just go back and take a look at some of the toggles. Now, you do get all of the toggles that you would see on the normal Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You got your Google apps. Now this is the unlocked version. So basically what it is this phone will be available for Metro PCS in the rose gold or sunrise gold color. Very minimum bloat, none at all actually. All Google apps and stock apps with the skin of the Samsung over top of it. Open up your camera, and basically what you're going to do is check out some of the options by swiping across. Pro mode, food mode, panorama, live focus, auto, slow motion mode, and air emoji. So you could play around with those options to your personal preference. And let's just get out of the camera. Right here, we're going to go back and look at some of the build again. Now that rose sunset gold color is actually phenomenal in the light. We'll go ahead and the hardware on this phone is surprisingly smooth. Now it does have that Samsung skin over top of the Android, but go ahead to the settings and you can see there's a boost option right here. They also have a bunch of features here: smart stay, mini view, smart capture, just a whole slew of options for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Hope you guys found this video helpful in any way possible to you. If you did, every single like helps the channel. Go ahead, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.